A very good morning to all of you, my dear children. So, today in physics class, we will continue chapter number 13, that is sound. So, yesterday we discussed about the three characteristics of a sound, that is time period, frequency and amplitude. Let us revise them quickly. Time period is the time taken to complete one oscillation. The time taken to complete one oscillation is called the time period of the sound. Second is frequency. Frequency is defined as the total number of complete oscillations in 1 second. Means how many oscillations are completed in 1 second is called the frequency. And amplitude is the maximum disturbance from the mean position. Okay, so also we discussed yesterday that the amplitude determines the loudness of the sound. Amplitude determines loudness of the sound and the frequency determines the pitch of the sound. Amplitude determines the loudness and frequency determines the pitch of the sound. Therefore, due to these characteristics, the sound produced by different sources are different. They have different quality. Like the sound of a whistle is different from the sound of a drum. If we talk about the sound of women and children, they have higher frequency. They are pitched or shrilled voice, shrill sound, because their frequency is high. Whereas the frequency of the sound produced by a man is low as compared to the women and children. Okay, so these are the characteristics which determines the quality of the sound, how the sound is produced by different objects. Now, today in this class, we will discuss audible and inaudible sounds. What do you mean by audible and inaudible sounds? As the name suggests, audible sound is the sound which the human beings can hear. Means the sound which can be heard by the human ear. The sounds which can be heard by the human ear. Okay, so all the sound that are heard and sensed and detected by the human ear are called audible sounds. Audible means which we can listen, which can be listened by the human ear. So audible sounds are the sounds which can be heard, sensed and detected by human ears. So those sounds are called audible sounds. Okay. Now the sound range, the frequency range of audible sound is from 20 Hertz to 20,000 Hertz. Means human beings can listen the sound waves between the range of 20 Hertz to 20,000 Hertz. Means all the sound waves, all the sounds with the frequency of between 20 Hertz to 20,000 Hertz. All those frequencies which lie in this range, all those sounds can be heard by human beings are called audible sounds. So the range of audible sounds for human being is from 20 Hertz to 20,000 Hertz. This is the frequency range. Okay. Now what are inaudible sounds? So as the name suggests, inaudible means which cannot be heard or detected by human beings or human ear. Means the sound range, the sounds which cannot be detected by our ears, human ear, are called inaudible sound. Means we cannot hear it. What does it mean? The source is producing the sound, but the sound is not sensed and detected by our ears, because the sound does not lie in the frequency range of 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Okay, so those sounds are called inaudible sounds. So we cannot listen the sound with frequency below 20 Hz, so it will come under the inaudible sounds. So what is the frequency range of inaudible sound? Below 20 Hz, we cannot listen below 20 Hz, so these are inaudible sounds, and above 20,000 Hz. And above 20,000 Hz. So inaudible sounds are the sound which cannot be heard, sensed or detected by the human ears. Okay, as the frequency range of audible sound of human ear is 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. So the sound with frequency below 20 Hz and the sound with frequency above 20,000 Hz are inaudible sounds. So what is the frequency for inaudible sounds? Below 20 Hz and above 20,000 Hz. So these sound frequencies, these sounds cannot be heard by humans. The source will produce the sound, but it will be not detected or heard by us, by human beings. So these are called inaudible sounds, and which can be heard are called audible sound. The range of audible sound for human beings is from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. And what is the frequency for inaudible sounds? Below 20 Hz and above 20,000 Hz. Thank you.